welcome back to Lay It Down TV. Today we have Berry and his R53 Cooper S. It's going to be an absolute brilliant video, so make sure you watch to the end. If you're new to the channel, then thank you so much for finally joining us. And if you do like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're out in Berry's 2004 Cooper S. So it's standard 200 brake, is that correct?
170 brake standard.
Right, so do you want to talk us through the bolt-ons that you've put onto this engine?
Yeah, so it's a AirTech intercooler, Miltech resonated catback, 19% cabs pulley, Dave F airbox with a K&N filter, silicon hoses, lots of them.
Naughty. The supercharger on this car, when it's whining, sounds absolutely phenomenal.
So it's a boost controller sort of thing, but it does your throttle response. It's currently an E9. It goes from E's 1 to 9, and it goes P 1 to 9. And depending on how responsive you want the throttle, you set it from 1 to 9. So at the moment it's only an E, and it makes 202 brake. And that was dynoed at Surrey Rolling Road end of last year on P9. So that's the most responsive.
Yeah. You can absolutely tell the difference on that throttle sensor from E9 to P9. It just absolutely wants to go. Obviously it's wet today, still laying down the traction. I had a R52 Cooper S, and that was bog standard, and that handled like a go-kart. So you've done a few bits to this.
Yeah. So I can imagine it would have been very similar. They all seem to grip, but again, AP coilovers in this thing with adjustable top mounts, camber arms. It just decides it wants to not leave the ground at all.
So you haven't had any engine work yet?
It's had a new engine go in it 2-3 days ago, but it's still sort of running in, but it's a little bit of an older engine than what I had. There's a company that I know that blew it up because they didn't put any oil in it, which sounds ridiculous. But some people are really idiots, but it is what it is.
We won't name that company.
No, we won't.
So the plans, we spoke earlier about camshaft.
Yeah, so we're going Newton cams, 550cc injectors, and then a remap. So the car's not actually been mapped. So with the bolt-ons, it's gained 30 brake horsepower, which isn't much, but again, it's bolt-ons.
Yes.
It's a bolt-on non-standard car, if you will.
So out of the box, you've achieved 200 brake without a map. That's insane. Do you know where you're going to take it?
I think, if I'm right in saying, after speaking to a few people at the R53 Owners Club on Facebook, they seem to think I'll gain anywhere from 260 to 290.
That's crazy, mate.
Yeah, just with cams, injectors and a map. So I can go stage 2 straight off the bat when I do that.
Yeah, the Mini lays the power down. It's got a standard limited slip diff from BMW, so you've not got to worry about that. So hopefully when you achieve that power, you still get the traction that you're getting. It's a wet day today, it's absolutely hammering it down, and it's still gripping and shooting off. Do you want to talk about the exhaust system? Is that standard? Or?
No, it's just a resonated Miltech catback.
Storm Ciara again, mate. It's hectic out here. Jesus, mate. I love these cars. I like little pocket rockets. I had a classic Mini, and like the handling comparable to that is near on the same. So I think BMW have done a really good job of that.
100%. 17-inch rotor greases, and it's got it's the sort of the idea that I've gone for is blue and white with yellow bits under the bonnet.
Yeah. The engine bay's dressed really nice on this. I think that's a really good touch.
Yeah, I don't know why I decided to choose yellow, but you know, it's worked.
It catches your eye, doesn't it?
Yeah, 100%.
Out.
Yeah, 100%.
So with the Teflon supercharger, they're not standard on these?
No, they're not. No. So they're off the, I think it's the Gen 2 if I remember correctly.
Right.
So lots of people do it because the blades wear.
Right.
So lots of people have done it just because it's a better upgrade to have, preserves the longevity of the supercharger. So it works out quite well.
So talking about the supercharger, with that you've done 90% reduced pulley.
Yeah, 90% reduced pulley. Yeah, and it makes that whine so much louder.
Yeah.
I've been in cars with 17, and it's loud, but I don't know why. But the 2% feels as though you can hear it just that a little bit more. It just works.
So if you imagine there's more revs per minute going through that, more volumetric efficiency going into the engine, more whine, more power. That's what we're about. I can't believe how spacious this car is.
I mean, we're both over 6 foot.
Yeah, I'm just laid back chilling. The plans with the cars, and obviously apart from the engine.
Yeah, at the moment that's it. So we've got, I've been accepted for Players Show Paddock, so if you're going you'll see me there. I've applied, I'm still waiting to hear back from Fast Show. We've got tracks, obviously I'll be going to a lot of the shows this year. So if you see the car,
get a photo and tag him on Instagram.
Also, if you're near a WH Smith, make sure you go and grab a mini magazine that's coming out next month or the month after. I'm still waiting to hear back from them, so that's going to be a page 1 feature.
Oof.
So
killing it. So you've done the stud conversion.
I did, yeah, I did the stud conversion. Do you know what? It makes things so much easier taking them off. This is the first car I've had with the stud conversion as well. So.
Is there any plans for the brakes? Yeah, standard brakes?
There will be. I haven't thought about it yet because they are quite good.
Yeah.
But there will be. I don't know what that is yet, but this year at some point I'll start looking into it and see where we can go. If anyone's got any recommendations, please drop a comment and I'll be reading them just to see what the suggestions are.
It's got to be AP Racing. I don't know if any of you agree with me, but AP Racing or the John Cooper works on these.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had the Gen 1, the R53.
Mm-hmm.
The brakes on that was shocking. I can already see that they've upgraded them, but they were just fade central.
So just out of interest, I'm now in E9. I'm going to put it in P9 in a second, but I'm not going to move my foot, and I just want to, my foot is going to remain exactly in the same place. Just see the difference of the throttle response when we go into P9. So here it goes.
Oh, Jesus. That's actually quite a lot.
My foot just doesn't move, and it just jumps. I don't know why, but when you drive it, we'll do the same, and you'll notice the difference. It does it more at low revs because it's more responsive. I don't know why it's more responsive at low revs, but you would expect it to be a little bit more higher through the rev range, as a lot of cars are. But
I love these cars, man. They just put a smile on your face, don't they?
100%.
Definitely picked the right one.
You know when you love a car so much, you get out of it and you look back at it. That's just how you know.
Yeah, and you're worried about it.
Exactly.
So naughty. He's going to let me drive it.
Let's go.
It's been a while since I've been in one of these in the driving seat. So is traction off?
Traction is off, yeah.
Jesus, let's have a little go. Oh mate.
So just remember you're in E9, so
Yeah.
that's not full response yet.
You have to be the navigator, I don't know these.
That's
ones.
fine. So keep going until you hit a roundabout, and I'll tell you where to go from there.
Plane.
See what I mean? It's got to stay out these curves. Doesn't like puddles.
All this horsepower and nowhere to use it.
So if you just start accelerating now, start accelerating. You can feel it wants to hold.
Yeah. Mate. Jesus. The brakes are so much better on the R53.
Yeah, but these are still standard brakes.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I had the R52 and they were spongy after like 2 or 3 hits.
Yeah, yeah.
So they've obviously sorted their game out.
It's a little bit of a warp, but you can feel it.
Someone's going to be on eBay tonight. Me.
This guy. This road is obviously the one we went up just a minute ago for the rollers. This is third from just shy of 40. That was 70. And then the car stopped at 70. The rev counter doesn't go past 70.
Yeah. I just got that. Guys, that was Barry and his R53 Cooper S. It's been an absolutely brilliant day. We've managed to get through the battle of Storm Ciara or whatever her name is. If you've enjoyed the video, then make sure you like, comment and subscribe and let us know what you think of the Cooper S. Again, thank you so much to Barry. I'd like to give a massive shout out to Sammy and Adam for coming to help us do the roll-by shots. It's been an absolutely brilliant day. Thank you so much for watching. That's Lay It Down TV.